Back home, I already heard something about what university is like in Denmark and how different, for example, the hierarchy is. I'm used to a very conservative hierarchy. This is really different here, and it turned out to be even better than I expected it.
So for me it was kind of new, but I really got very easily into it because the environment was very friendly and they were very helping with us. So it was stressing, but I get over it very quickly.
The professors, they really try to involve you in the team and in the work, so they would let you do more hands-on and stand beside you, and there's always someone you can follow. The other students also really involve you. I feel they are happy to get to know internationals, and they are really wanting you to have a good time.
We really had the opportunity to practice on actual patients who had actual diseases. All of us had in every classes the time to do the examination, so I really learned a lot in a practical way. And the theoretical part was slightly put aside, but you had to do it by yourself at home, and the practical part was in classes. In my country, at least in Belgium, is separate, like first theory and then practice, and I was only going into it. So for me it was kind of new, but I really got very easily into it. So in the end it was actually very pleasant.
I think it's a system everyone takes advantage of. I mean, it's obvious that we take advantage of it because it's just more convenient, and I mean, it's nice to be on the same level with a professor. And that's actually a very different thing from back home, because when you send a professor an email, you would just say dear and then their first name. Also, when you meet them somewhere, you would maybe shake hands and say their first name. At the beginning it really felt so weird because I never sent an email to a professor saying their first name. It was something I really needed to get used to. But once you do, I would say it's awesome.
I would really recommend that for the practice experience they can get here, as teachers are really close to us. They're really there to help us. Even if you can be, and I understand, I was nervous, they will do everything they can to help you and to make you comfortable with it. So it's going to be fine.